going to show you how to use your ribbon stick. This is a sweep. Sweep, 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 sweep.
Remember, not too hard.
Okay, not too hard. Okay, side to side. Side to side. Those are side to side.
No, not too hard.
Now do snow circles by circling above your head.
Make sure that no one's around you while you're doing this and that you don't use it hard.
Okay, and then rainbows.
This one is also one that you might need to stay away from other people.
Okay, do a snake by wiggling it side to side out in front of you.
Like this.
Okay, we're going to do our ribbon sticks with Come Along, It's Parade Time. So get yours and do it with us.
A song from soundsofsortomme.com. Here comes the parade.
March this time.